Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Zach, and today we're going to talk about something I think every woodworker loves. Saving money while building your dream shop. We all know woodworking can be extremely expensive between tools and materials and wood. It all adds up pretty fast. But what if I told you you can find some real useful tools at your local dollar store? So today's journey, I went to the Family Dollar and I want to show you 6 products that I've found within that store that can really be useful in your shop and a couple really good surprises. So let's start with the first one. Sometimes you got to really think out of the box, and most of us woodworkers are creative. I came across this product, and the first moment I looked at it, I was like, yes! And reasonably priced too. This is the hair dye kit, clocking in at $4.40. Let's look inside and see why I like it. So what this kit comes with is a 1.7 ounce pump bottle, a 1.7 ounce spray bottle, a pressing cap bottle, a flip cap bottle, a twist cap bottle, a squeeze bottle, 2 jars. For $4.40, I mean, you've got endless options here. Put some water in a spray bottle if you're doing some wet sanding, to mixing up colors or acrylics, to storing things, for squeezing some glue, or geez, I mean, really the options are endless. And having these type of containers at your disposal, that helps you get creative and also contain things to use at the right time. I say for $4.40, this is pretty sweet. I love it. All right, so here it is. This is what I'm most excited about. I've always wanted one of these for a number of different reasons, and I'll give you a few. So here it is, the single burner hot plate. So this is a 6-inch, 1,000 watt hot plate. The reasons that I wanted one of these, first of all, in guitar repair, sometimes you need to repot, re-wax guitar pickups. And I've seen it with other techs before. You have a nice little burner like this. You have your pan, you have your wax, you dip, repot your guitar pickups, voila. Another big reason for most woodworkers or people that create is that the hot plate can warm up your rattle cans. It is a huge tip in the community that if you have your rattle cans in some warm water, it increases the pressure inside the can, which gives you just a better spray across the board. And let's be honest, who doesn't like a good shop hot dog? This Bella Basic single coil burner hot plate, $15.50. I love it. So next up for $1.25 are these bamboo skewers. I like to recycle my chopsticks because they're great for stirring things. 100 skewers for $1.25 is a smashing good deal. One use I like to use with these, because they do have that skewer tip on it, is that if I glue up something and I just have the exact right amount of glue, sometimes there's a little bit that gets in that seam, and you can kind of scrape that right out of there before it starts to harden with these. More often than not, I use these to actually stir things. Which brings us to our next find. Isopropyl alcohol, 91%. This is how I like to apply my dyes. These skewers come in handy, as you can see, because you can start to mix up your dye into your alcohol. I've just found that I get a better result when I dye wood with alcohol than I do with water. 265. I love it. Next up are these Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. These things are fantastic. This is more just to tell you it's there. Recently, I got some Sharpie marker on one of my aluminum pick guards that had been powder coated, and I used one of these to take the Sharpie off, though it took a very long time. These things are fantastic for cleaning. One other small use I have used these for as well is they cut real easy. I have also used these to make little sanding blocks for my wet sandpaper or what have you. They do a fantastic job just making something to size, especially with like a nice little edge just like that. This is clocking in at $3.75, and yeah. Now this last find, it's for the guitar tech, guitar builder. A lot of people don't know this. This is something that eluded me for years. Bounce dryer sheets, $2.15. I like to have a pack around the shop. Why? Because sometimes static electricity gets within the pickups. There are occasions where customers or people that you're doing work for say that they think they have a microphonic pickup. But believe it or not, rubbing a dryer sheet, a product that reduces static, will actually, on some cases, fix the problem. No microphonic pickup. Bounce! What else have you find that you use? Let the community know in the comments so that way we all can learn and find items for our shop that doesn't break the bank. So there's today's Family Dollar scavenger hunt for your shop. Came in at $29.70, mainly because the burner was $15.50. Other than that, everything was below $5. But these are items that I use all the time, or I could use all the time. Thank you for viewing this whole video. You are a champion. Like and subscribe, of course. There's a Dollar Tree video that I've done that you can view here for more products. I'm trying to keep them separate. Thank you guys so much, and have yourself a wonderful week. And my channel says, go build yourself a guitar. Have a great day.